Ninth problem. Find the equations of direct common tangents. Tangents to the circles x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 is equal to 0. Next, x square plus y square plus 22x plus 4y, this is minus 22x plus 4y plus 100 is equal to 0. Okay. So, my dear students, the better after completion of watching this video, so better you practice on the paper, that means better practice in your notebook and check whether you have done correctly or not, because we should not read the mathematics, we have to do the mathematics. That means only the secret of success or secret of getting more marks in mathematics examination is nothing but practice. So, we have to do more practice on the problems. So, better first watch the video, next put on the paper and check once again the video. Okay? Understood, my dear students? Now, let us come to this problem. So, in this problem, two equations of the circles are given. Okay. Now, we are asked to find out direct common tangents. What do you mean by direct common tangents and what do you mean by transverse common tangents? Here we are asked direct common tangents. So, that means the tangents which are drawn from the external center of similitude to the two circles is called direct common tangents. The tangents which are drawn from the internal center of similitude to the circles is called transverse common tangents. I mean, I show the gestures also. The direct common tangents will be like this, whereas transverse common tangents will be like this. So, that means the direct common tangents we get only in two cases. If the two circles actually touch externally, there is a chance of getting direct common tangents, and they may not touch. So, now we have to check whether the two circles touch each other, intersect each other, or they do not intersect. So, for that purpose also, first let us assume the two circles be S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0. Find the center 1 and center 2, radius of the first circle, radius of the second circle. Then we have to conduct the test whether the two circles touch each other, intersect each other, or they do not touch or intersect, neither intersect nor touch, that we have to verify. After that, easily we can find out equation to the direct common tangents. How do we find direct common tangents of a circle? Means, let us suppose the slope of the tangent be m. That means, first we find out external center of similitude. The equation of any line passing through that external center of similitude having slope m. Since it is the tangent, it must follow the tangent condition. What is the condition for tangency to the circle? That is equal to the distance from center of any one of the circle must be equal to its radius. That is all. We can find out m values. Here definitely we will expect a quadratic equation in m. By solving that quadratic equation, we can determine two equations of the two direct common tangents. Okay. So, I hope you might have understood our strategy. This is a strategy to crack this problem, or we say that to solve this problem. Shall we proceed for this problem? Okay, children, let us do it. Let the equations of the circles be S is equal to x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 is equal to 0. Second circle, say S dash x square plus y square minus 22x plus 4y plus 100 is equal to 0. I already told you. Now, center of the first circle C1 is equal to minus 11 comma 2. If you have any doubt, so you can discuss it with your friends or your lecturers. So, now C2 is equal to 11 comma minus 2. I might be correct. R1 is equal to root over 121 plus 4, and here in this case plus 100. 125 100, that is root of 225. Am I correct? 15 square root of 225. You had better to remember square roots up to 1 to 900. 1, 4, 9, 16 up to square root of 900. Square root of 225 is 15. Now, R2, this is root over 121 plus 4. In this case, we get minus 100. So, 125 minus 100 is root 25. You know, very simple, this is 5. You can check our work. Now, the distance between the centers or length of the line of the centers, line segment. C1 C2 is equal to root over 11 minus of 11. 11 plus 11 square. So, plus minus 2 square. Am I correct? This is root 21 square plus minus 4 square. 21 square is 441, you can check it, plus 16. This is 21 square minus 4 square, this is 4, this is 22 square, 484, this is square root of 500. This we can write 100 into 5. This is 10 root 5, okay, 10 root 5. So, now here you can observe this is R1 plus R2 is 20, that is 10 root 5. 10 root 5 means approximately this value will be root 4 is 2, that will be more than this 20. So, that means R1 plus R2, that is equal to 15 plus 5, 20. So, now we can write C1 C2 bar is greater than R1 plus R2. So, that means S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0, do not intersect or touch each other. This is the result. Now we can draw the figure. So this is the bigger circle because radius is bigger. This is smaller circle. Now this is the center. This is the center. This is C1. This is C2. Okay. Now you can draw one direct common tangent. You draw one more. They intersect at point. You just extend it. This is called external center of similitude. Generally, we can say this is I. Okay, I. External center of similitude. Now, this we have to find out. I or you can say no problem, P also you can say better. So, now P divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. That's why that is called external center of similitude. External center of similitude. So, P is equal to say or Px comma y, no problem. R1 x2 minus R2 x1 by R1 minus R2. Okay. R1 y2 minus R2 y1 by R1 minus R2. C1 is minus 11 comma 2. This is 11 comma minus 2. This is R1. This is R2. R1 is how much? 15. R2 is how much? 5. So, we can replace coordinates. Now, R1 is 15 into x2. x2 is 11 minus 5 into x1 is minus 11 by 15 minus 5. Next, R1 is 15 to y2 is minus 2, R2 is 5, y1 is 2 by 15 minus 5. Okay. So, let us check it whether we have done correct or not. So, 165 plus 55 by 10, this is minus 30 minus 10 by 10. 165 plus 55, how much we will be getting? 0 to 220 by 10 minus 40 by 10. This equal to 22 comma minus 4. Okay. Now, our aim is to find out equations to the common tangents, direct common tangents. So, what is our aim? To find out equations to the direct common tangent. So, that means let m be the slope of the direct common tangent. So, equation of the direct common tangent passing through P means 22 comma tangent passing through 22 comma minus 4 with slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Am I correct? Point slope form. So, this we can write now y minus y1 y plus 4 m unknown x minus 22. So, this can be rewritten mx minus 22m y plus 4. Bring this side mx minus y minus 22m minus 4 is equal to 0. Say equation 1. Now, we have to find out here m value. That means, you can select first equation or second equation. So, that means, since it is a tangent, 1 is a tangent, the distance from center of this circle to this line must be equal to its radius phi, or second circle you can take it, no problem. So, that means here R2 is equal to perpendicular distance from C to 11 comma minus 2 to equation 1. We assumed this one as the direct common tangent. So, that means phi is equal to, so mod of 11m plus 2 minus 22m minus 4 divided by root of here a square plus b square, m square plus 1. This is equal to mod of minus 11m minus 2 by root of m square plus 1. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, you get 25 is equal to, this becomes 11m plus 2 whole square. How means minus common, minus square is plus, this is m square plus 1. Cross multiply it. Okay. If you cross multiply, you get 11 plus m2 whole square is equal to 25 into m square plus 1, nothing but a plus b whole square. So, this is 121 m square, 22 into 2, 44 m plus 4 is equal to 25 m square plus 25. Bring this side. 121 m square minus 25 m square plus 44 m plus 4 minus 25 is equal to 0. Now, 121 minus 25 is 6. Okay, am I correct? Here 96 m square plus 44 m minus 21 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, 21 into 96 into 21, 16 into 6, 7 into 3, this is 4 into 4, 6 into 7 into 3 right now. 4 into 6 is 24 into 3 is 72 into 28. 72 minus 28 is 44. So, we can write 96 m square plus 72 m minus 28 m minus 21 is equal to 0. So, now from these two we can take out common 24 m common, 4 m plus 3 minus 7 common, 4 m plus 3 equals to 0. Now, 4 m plus 3 is common. So, 24 m minus 7 is equal to 0. So, we get two solutions. Am I correct? 4 m plus 3 is equal to 0. 24 m minus 7 is equal to 0. 4 m is equal to minus 3. 24 m is equal to 7. M is equal to minus 3 by 4. Next, m is equal to minus 7 by 24. So, these two values you have to substitute in equation 1. You get now equations to the direct common tangents. Okay, let us come to this one now. Case 1. If m is equal to minus 3 by 4. So, from 1 minus 3 by 4 x minus y plus this is 66 by 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Multiply with 4. Minus 3x minus 4y plus 66 minus 16 is equal to 0. So, minus 3x minus 4y plus 0 50 is equal to 0. Multiply with minus sign. Therefore, 3x plus 4y minus 50 is equal to 0. This is one of the direct common tangents. Now, go to the case 2. Case 2 means here m is equal to what we have to take? See 7 by 24. 7 by 24 means, okay, substituting here from again 1 this equation only. Okay, what do you get? 7x by 24 minus y minus 154, sorry, this is 84, 7 2 ja 14, 154 by 24 minus 4 is equal to 0. Multiply with 24 on both sides. So, 7x minus 24y minus 154 minus 96 is equal to 0. So, therefore, 7x minus 24y minus 0 5 250 is equal to 0. This is the other direct common tangent. So, these two are the direct common tangent. So, this problem is simple, but calculations are very tedious. So, you might be observing, see. So, while doing the calculations, better concentrate more. Though the problem is very easy, calculations are very typical. So, that is why better you concentrate on more on this direct common tangent or transverse common tangent problems. Okay, my dear students, you might have followed.